Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring a clean canvas. Wash the brow area gently and pat dry so product adheres. Once done, brush hairs up with the spoolie to reveal gaps and the natural arch. This makes mapping accurate. Next, pick the powder shade closest to your hair color and load a small amount on the angled brush. Tap off excess so strokes stay crisp. Now position the brush at the inner brow and prepare to draw light, hair-like strokes toward the tail. You continue by using short, feathery strokes to simulate natural hairs, starting near the inner corner and working toward the tail. This prevents blocky fills and keeps the front softer. Make sure to apply less pressure as you move outward to create a gradient. Then, once filled, brush through with the spoolie to diffuse any harsh lines and blend the powder. If you need longer hold or lift, lightly comb a clear or tinted brow gel through the hairs to set the shape. You finish by refining edges. Apply a small amount of concealer under the arch and blend outward to sharpen and lift the brow visually. Make sure to press a tissue gently over the brows if the powder appears heavy, then soften with a final spoolie pass for a natural finish. If you find uneven or patchy areas, don't overload the brush. Layer light strokes and blend between layers. This builds color without cakiness. And if a stroke goes too dark, softly erase with a clean spoolie to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.